Hi guys, are you looking for the fast USB cable or searching the best one for you? Then I have a suggestion for you. The Ugreen super fast USB cable has all features you need. So let's start. You can use it as a fast charging cable or a fast data transmission cable. Along with super safety technology, it has universal compatibility. Now, top features at a glance. Five-star rating and good customer response shows its popularity. It has more than 7,000 orders, so grab your cable before the stock runs out. Link given in the description box below. Don't forget to subscribe. Bye bye.